Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video. I'm going to show you my Pandit palette finale. I know it hasn't been the most successful year in my panning career, but we still managed to have some progress, and I'm just going to show you now all the progress that I have filmed here in a row. There you can see the pans building, the new shades and everything. And this is what my palette looks like today. So yay. The best part of it, I would say, is that I could finish at least one shade here. I'm going to show it to you a bit more close up. These dots that you can see, I have examined them, and it's not mold if you think that just because it's green. It's actually rust, so like the pen is just very rusty. But even if it's rust, I will not reuse this pen, so there will not be going a new shade in there. This will stay empty. And the rest here in Pearl, I hit side pen again here. Like I could finish the corner up here. I'm very happy with that, but nothing more. Cinder, I think I use only one more time, and Twig also, so not a lot of progress in those. I was wishing to hit side pen here, but I just couldn't do it. Then we have my favorite new shade, Steampunk, in a way more fitting shade now, I feel like, for the name. I did use it quite a few times. I could empty out a bit more here at the bottom, but I use it mainly on my lower lash line, so I don't use a ton of product at once. Then Teak I didn't touch. Rose Quartz I also tried to hit side pen here, but I also couldn't do it. In Dystopian, my version of Dystopian, I could clean out another corner here, so at least that we could do. Yay. Amber I used quite some times, but I just used up more product in the middle. Cyborg and Slate, I think I didn't touch both of them. Then Bloom, is just like the same shade as here. I didn't touch it. I will repress it into another palette. Birch, I think I didn't use at all. And Noir, I was really trying to hit side pen here in the bottom. And as you can see, there's only so little left there. I think one or two more uses. Could have done it, but I just couldn't wait any longer to film this video. It was already due like a month ago, so I'm glad I have it now. No, not a month ago. No, well, 20 days ago maybe. But here we are. So this is my finale for my Pandit palette from 2025. And very, very, very soon you will see my introduction for my new Pandit palette for this year. I'm very excited to show you what I have in mind. This palette here you will see again. I have like a repressing depotting project I want to start very soon, and this will be a part of it. I want to reduce my collection a bit and put together shades in palettes, to reduce one palette. I can repress these into other palettes, into places where I have shades that I don't like or where I just want to add something. So yeah, it's another project that I'm going to start very soon, and I hope you like this one. I know it wasn't like the full-on use it up as I did with my Norvina palette, but that's life. This year just didn't go as planned, but like last year. This year, I hope will go as planned. We will see. So stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Push the bell so that you get notified of new videos. I upload very irregularly, so maybe that helps to notify you. And look out for the coming videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!